I ain't gonna say some woman's life, bro. Never come to the front row, roll out. This shit's stupid as fuck. Hurry up, hurry up. You found your sneakers? You're outside, I know the vibe. You're outside. What enough, La Family? What's up, family? Here are some tips if you plan on going to Rolling Loud this year. Check it out.
She be in the club, she guys a lot. Cause we got the chart. Came from the bottom, now we at the top.
I'm not gonna hold you. It was lit. It was exciting. It was fun, but I wasn't prepared. There was a lot of things that I didn't know what to expect. So for one, it is crowded. Not only is it crowded, but there's no seating anywhere.
Oh, now it's whole body different. I know they love it. Let's go. Let's go. I swear to slide. Bodies in the sky like it's 2055.
It was just a big ass parking lot, and we had to walk around and stand everywhere. You should come with some comfortable shoes. I was wearing some Alexander McQueen's. That was a mistake. If you want to sit down, you literally have to sit down in the middle of the parking lot. So this is a young people's kind of event. My aunt was thinking about coming. I'm glad she did. I was 22 in this video, but I think I was a little too mature for this. We are Rolling Loud. It's cold as brick outside, but I'm still sweating bullets. Crazy right now. Out here, bro. I'm not supposed to be recording. I'm supposed to have a certain tag, but I get back to you.
We love Bobby. We love Bobby. We love Bobby. Bobby, bitch. Yeah, Bobby, bitch. You ain't know they call me Bobby, bitch.
2 hours of this, I can get lit, but 3 whole days of partying, like I can't. I wanted to tap out, but I already paid the $400 for the ticket, so I would get my money's worth. Keep that in mind. You're going to be burning a lot of calories, and with burning a lot of calories, number 3, you gotta stay hydrated. Make sure y'all bring some water. I think they had some water fountain, but it's so crowded they either ran out or the lines were long. Number 4, bring yourself a portable charger. Once you leave, you cannot come back in. I don't want to do this shit again. Make sure your phone is charged or you have a portable charger. But even still, you won't have no reception in it. There's so many people with the phones out just to make a phone call to see where your buddies are at. You won't get connected.
Walk up to niggas something like me talk. Walk up to niggas something like me talk. Whoa, 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 yeah. She shake it fast. Yeah, she drop it slow.
I would suggest have a designated meetup area at the end of the concert. Yeah, let's meet up over here at the end of the day, or after this concert we're gonna meet up back over here. Like my little cousin, I was gonna go home without her because I could not find her. So keep that in mind. Have a meetup area in case you guys get lost. Also, wear comfortable clothes. You will get dirty. They be throwing shit in the crowd, water bottles, beers, stepping on your shoes. I would dress like I'm going to the gym because you will get sweaty. It was cold outside. All those people on top of you, I was sweating bullets. Now this was the scariest part of the whole concert. They were trying to do the mosh pit thing, and then I got knocked over, fell on top of me, and the beat was about to drop, and I was like, they about to stop me the fuck out. Please pick me up before the beat drops. Hurry up. People were getting trampled on. I'm just like, it's out of control. To make matters worse, this young lady passed out in the crowd, bleeding in this guy's arms. I said, bro, your girl is bleeding. He said, it's not my girl. I'm just trying to keep her from being trampled on. We need help. But I lift her up, and I told everybody to crowd surf her to the front of the crowd, and the security guy picked her up. I really hope that young lady is good. That's when I realized this shit is dangerous. Yeah, this shit crazy. I ain't gonna say some woman's life, bro. Hell yeah! This shit's retarded, bro. Don't ever come to the front row Rolling Loud. This shit's stupid as fuck. I don't even know what number this is, but make sure you eat before you come in. Food was so overpriced in there, and it wasn't even all that tasty. You would pay like $20 for a slice of pizza, and you will have no choice because once you leave, you can't come back in. You either just be starving for the full day, or you just pay that money and just have something to hold you a little bit till you get to the crib. Food is really overpriced in there, so make sure you eat before you come in.
$20 for a plate of rice. Y'all bugging.
I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Hard find something to eat over here. Shit mad expensive. We got $9 pizza, $15 cheesesteaks that you get at the grocery store in the freezer. Wow. But we in Cityfield, you see. Down there. Once you get in, you can't leave. You're stuck here. You just gotta pay.
They won, y'all. They won. I had no choice to pay that bread.
Most of the time, these are outdoor concerts, so be prepared for the rain. It started raining, we didn't have no jackets. You know, I think they were selling umbrellas or rain jackets for like $20. I'm like, these are some business people. And you had no choice. You either get wet or you can buy yourself a little rain jacket for $20. Be prepared for rain. They're not gonna stop the concert. They're gonna keep going. It's kind of borderline ghetto. I'm not gonna lie. They just throw everybody outside in the parking lot. But I mean, for a $300, $600 ticket for a 3-day concert, and you get to see all these people, I can't complain. There was literally like 30 artists performing, big artists too, so it is worth the dollar, but it's a lot of things you gotta keep in mind.
I ain't coming back here again. Second time, they set me off 2 times, bro.
Bro, pissing me off, bro.
Every time she comes to New York, always send me off. Where my man's at, bro? I've been over there.
And ladies, I'm not trying to discourage you guys from going, but be on the lookout for weirdos in the crowd. I want to like scare you guys from going, but keep that in mind. So be careful what you drink, be careful what you smoke. Slide something in your drink, slide something in your bag. So I want to protect my woman. Have fun. Just be on your P's and Q's, please, because there's some weirdos in this crowd, and I wasn't jacking that at all. Wear clothes you don't mind throwing out because you will lose some shit. My cousin literally lost a shoe. It's ridiculous. I don't know how the hell you lose a shoe. It's madness.
Wait,
so.
you found your sneakers?
No, these are my sneakers.
And if you leave at the end of the concert, it will take you at least an hour.
It's gonna take a minute to get out of here. Look at this.
Just to get to the train station, just to get an Uber, it's gonna be crazy.
Not real loud. The third day was trash. First and second day was lit. I'm still mad. Keith did not come. Sent me off yesterday and today. Wasted 30 minutes at the stage waiting for him. I could have been at Travis.
So I would suggest you leave an hour before the performances end.
But I mean, you just give them shits away, bro. No way. T-shirts. This is what I gotta do. Take a baby steps to the cemetery.
I know maybe you want to see the last performance, but if you stay to the end, you're gonna spend an hour just getting out of that area. It's worse than a Yankee game. The train's gonna be packed back to back. You're gonna have to walk a few blocks to get an Uber because it's so saturated with requests. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. Have fun, be on your P's and Q's, and ladies, please, be safe. See you guys in the next video.
So we finished at Rolling Loud. I got me some Loud Jacks. It's just Apple Jacks, but you're just paying for the box. My bro got it for 2 for $20. And I went back because I wanted to go after I was done with the concert because I didn't want to fuck up the box, you feel me? Told me it's one is for $20. $20 for a box. My cousin back there, she a zombie right now. It's like 12 o'clock right now. Rolling Loud was lit. The first 2 days was lit. The third day I was really disappointed because Keith didn't show up and I was waiting well anyway, it's cool. Rolling Loud is crazy, man. Some things I don't like about it. The artists never, if you plan to come to Rolling Loud, expect at least 3 of your artists not to show up because 2019 was just like that. My cousin, she a zombie right now. I'm gonna wrap this video up, yeah. See you next video.